Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. So in this video I will discuss week 7 quiz answers of the course Programming Data Structure and Algorithm using Python. Now the first question is, given the following permutation of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, what is the previous permutation in lexicographic order? Now write your answer without any blank spaces between letters. So to get the answer we have to do one thing. We have to write this program, and in place of S we have to write this that is given G H A D B I C E F G. Now after running this program we will get this G H A D B F J I E C. So copy it from here, and this is the answer for question number 1. Now coming to question number 2, we want to add a function listMin to the class node that implements user-defined list such that listMin computes the minimum value in a list of values of type int. Now an incomplete implementation of listMin is given below. Now you have to provide expression to put in place of AAA, BBB and CCC. So the answer will be option number C. That means AAA will be none, BBB will be self.value and CCC will be minimum of self.value and self.next listMin. So now coming to question number 3. Suppose we add this function FOO to the class tree that implements search trees for a name myTree with a value of type tree. What would myTree.foo compute? Okay, so this is the program which is given, and the answer of this question will be the number of root to leaf paths in the tree. So after this video, if you get some help from this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I will upload all the assignment of this course in this channel. Now for question number 4, the post-order traversal of a binary search tree with integer values produces the following sequence: 22, 38, 28, 49, 48, 58, 61, 52, 45. What is the value of the left child of the root of the tree? 28 will be the answer. So submit the answer. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.